These are the SysData Foundation exam series. I'm taking one by one questions and explanation with real-time scenarios. Let's start with this. Here the question is relevant to the CSDM Data Foundation dashboard. Here the question is, a CSDM data manager needs metrics on the alignment of product models, locations, and business units with best practices. Which tab in the CSDM Data Foundation's dashboards provides this information? Here, option A, run, option B, foundation, option C, crawl, option D, walk, and option E, fly. The correct answer is option B, foundation. So I will explain each and every step of the run, foundation, crawl, walk, and fly. Let's start. So today I'm going to explain the CSDM maturity model. CSDM helps us move from just storing data to the creating real business value. It is not only about having data, but about using that data effectively and efficiently. So there are 5 stages in CSDM maturity. That is foundation, crawl, walk, run, and fly. Let's understand each stage step by step in a simple way. The first stage is foundation, nothing but data availability stage. Here in the foundation stage, the focus is only on data collection. We create basic configuration items like servers, applications, and databases. At this stage, there are no relationship between them. We only store basic information such as owners, groups, and locations. So the data is raw and isolated. For example, we have a server and an application, but we don't know how they're connected. Here the key question is, at this stage, we ask, do we have the data? Next stage, crawl, so relationship stage. In this crawl stage, we start connecting the data. We link configuration items and build dependencies. For example, application is connected to server and server is connected to the database. This is basic relationship mapping, but still we don't have a complete service model. For example, let's say now we know the application runs on a server, but we still don't see the full service picture. Here the key question is, at this stage, we ask as, are things connected? So next stage, third stage, so walk, so service structure stage. In the walk stage, we start building a proper structure. We introduce service models and define business services, application services, and technical services. We also add service offerings and organize everything properly. Let's say an example of, now the application is not just connected, but placed inside a structured service model. At this stage, we ask as, is it structured properly? Next one. Fourth one, run or operational use case. In the run stage, we start using this data in daily operations. It is integrated with incident, change, problem. Now, impact analysis becomes possible because we can quickly identify issues and resolve them faster. Let's say if a server fails, we can immediately see which application is impacted and fix it quickly. At this stage, we can ask as, are we using it daily? Next stage, final stage is fifth one, fly, business value stage. In this fly stage, we achieve business insights. Now we can analyze cost, risk, revenue. This helps in strategic decision making. At this stage, CMDB becomes a business asset. If an application goes down, we can calculate how much business losses happens. So at this stage, we ask, is it driving business value? Here, we can simply conclude as foundation creates data, crawl connects it, walk structures it, run uses it, and fly generates business value. It means foundation is the data, crawl is the relationship, walk is the structure, run is the operations, fly is the business tool. And we can conclude with the real navigation with ServiceNow. I will explain with the ServiceNow personal developer instance. We can log in with the ServiceNow personal developer instance. Then let's start. I will show the demo. As we already discussed, we have 5 stages in CSDM maturity. This is the foundation, crawl, walk, run, and fly. So the first stage is foundation. So in this foundation, what happened? In this foundation stage, it's focused only on the data collection. So it needs to collect data. See here, we create the basic configuration items like servers, applications, and databases. So we create the servers, applications, and databases. In this stage, there are no relationship between them. Here, we create the basic information such as owners, groups, and locations. This is the location, and so these are the locations. Here, we have a server and application, but we don't know how they're connected. Next one, crawl stage. We can navigate by CMDB underscore C underscore list. CMDB underscore CA dot list. Enter. It's showing the opening of configuration items. Then open any server or application record. This is the crawl stage. In this crawl stage, we only have basic CA data, right, like servers and applications. It's showing only servers and application details, but we don't know how they're connected. Next one, walk stage. This is a walk stage. How we can navigate? CMDB underscore C underscore business underscore app dot list. By app dot list, it will open the business application. Here, the walk stage, we organize data using CSDM structure. We define business applications and application services. So what happening in the walk stage? In this workspace, we start building a proper structure. So we introduce service models and define business services, application services, and technical services. So we also add the service offering and everything properly. It has status of implementing production, pilot, rated, and under evaluation. Next stage is the run stage. We can navigate by run by CMDB underscore relations underscore CI dot list. So we can open any one. So we can navigate by dependency view graph. So here related items, under related items, we can search by dependency view, show dependency view. So it's showing the dependency view map. It's showing the vertical, horizontal, radial, force, group, and details like. Here, it's showing the, for example, app connected to the server, server connected to the database, showing. At Transtrace, we connect all components using relationships. Here in dependency view, we can visually see how everything is connected. We can through check by horizontal view also, or radial view also. We can check by force view or group view. Like this, we can check anything. This is the run stage. So here what happening? In this stage, we start using data in daily operations. So it is integrated with the incident, change, and problem. Now, impact analysis becomes possible because we can quickly identify the issues and resolve them faster. So if a server fails, we can immediately see which application is impacted and it fix it quickly. So this helps in the impact analysis. How we can help? If server fails, then database stops, then app stops. So by identifying this way, we can easily identify impact analysis. So next stage is final fly stage. We can navigate by fly stage by CMDB underscore CI underscore service underscore list. Enter. It will open this phase. So at this fly stage, we connect technical services to business services. Now business services can understand the impact. How it will impact? Because if the service is down, customers cannot order, then business loses revenue. By seeing this, we can easily identify. So in this finally, you can conclude as the fly stage, we achieve business level insights. It will analyze by cost, risk, and revenue. This helps in the strategy decision making. At this stage, CMDB becomes a business asset. How it will be? Because if an application goes down, we can calculate how much business loss happens. So this is the fly stage. we can easily identify if any application is down, we can calculate how much business loss happens because of these dependencies. This is vertical view and this is a horizontal view. This is a radial view. This is the first view. And this is a group view. This is zooming and unzooming. So finally, we can conclude as foundation creates data, crawl connects it, walks touches it, run uses it, fly generates business value. So CSDM maturity model is a journey. We start with just collecting data, then we can connect it, and then we can organize it, then we use it in operations, and finally we use it to drive business value. That is how CMDB grows from a simple database to a powerful business tool. So we can conclude as CSDM maturity is about moving from data to the business value. So thank you guys. I hope this video will clarify you. Thank you. See you in next video. Wish you all the best.